Hey guys, so as you guys know by now, or if you don't, but I'm sure you do, my stomach is literally always hurting. I'm always having some kind of issues, I don't know, there's always something going on. So this company was kind enough to reach out to me, and I was able to test what my body is intolerant to. So I'm going to share my results with you guys, and it was really quick and easy. All I had to do was send a little sample of my hair, and don't worry, I didn't have to cut off a whole chunk of my hair. As you can see, my hair is intact. But I'm going to go through the results with you guys because it was really fun to read through everything. And before I do that, I just want to go over how easy it was to kind of read the results as well. It comes in 4 different sections. The first one is food and drinks, then toxicity, nutrients or nutrition, and then your gut health. So it was really super easy to read and figure out. Everything is also color coded. So green means good, yellow means and red obviously means avoid. Alright, so starting off with my inflammatory causing food and drinks, this is what I got. So as you can see, a bunch of different kinds of milk, this specific kind of cheese, sheep milk, and again another specific kind of cheese. And then we got sake and prosecco. I don't really drink alcohol, so that's fine. And then we have salmon, which actually, whenever I eat salmon, I do get sick, so that makes total sense. And then fruits, we have all these. Pineapple also makes sense because it makes my mouth tingle a little bit. And then obviously, as you can see, there's a lot of spices: basil, dill, garlic. Garlic I use a lot. Thyme, mint, turmeric, allspice. So I think I'm going to try to cut those out of my diet and see if it makes a difference. Garlic is going to be tough though because I love me some garlic. And then down here we have chickpeas, black-eyed peas, and also I believe that's a bean. Same thing with black peas. Whenever I eat them, my stomach's a little, doesn't really like it. And continuing on with the not good food, we have beef, cashews, pistachios, olive oil. I was surprised, and avocado oil. I'm like, I use olive oil all the time when I'm cooking, so that should be interesting. And then squash, carrots, shiitake mushroom, white sugar. That was interesting because I feel like that's in so many sweets. But yeah, that was all my avoid. So I think I'm gonna try cutting those out and see if it makes a difference, or just watch how much I use in moderation. This section is really interesting. So this is heavy metals, and this is obviously this is to avoid. This is moderate sensitivity. And here you can see all the different kinds, and then these are all the no reactions. You can pause and read if you'd like. And then here we have vitamin deficiencies. Biotin, I never take anything with biotin. I don't know what foods naturally have it, but I feel like that does make sense. And then potassium, vitamin B1, vitamin B5, and vitamin E. I have a slight deficiency, but I just started taking multivitamins, so I'm gonna have to see if those are ingredients in them. And you guys know I am always honest with you guys, so this section confused me a little bit. And I am gonna be honest because as a child, I was diagnosed lactose intolerant. And it says on here that I could have buttermilk, lactose, cream, heavy cream. I'm a little confused on that. But now I kind of want to go back to my doctor and get retested. I don't know if that's something you can grow out of, but I'm very curious. And I honestly might go get a blood test or something like that, and maybe try to take a lactose test again, because maybe I'm not lactose tolerant anymore, and that would be amazing because then I wouldn't have to watch every single thing that I ate. So what I think I'm gonna do from here, like I said, I might reach out to my doctor and get some blood tests or something and figure out what is going on in my stomach. But this is really cool, and I think all the things that it says to avoid, I'm gonna try cutting them out and see if it makes me feel better, because why not? I will take any opportunity that I can possibly feel better. If you guys are interested in this, like I said, you just have to cut off a strand of your hair and mail it out, so it's super fast and easy, really easy to understand. I will put their @ in the bio